the most important thing is
the ubasi do awo kasa je esi.
Na me tie nkomo no.
Nkomo ben.
Mamo me to na jeje mu. One of the biggest challenges.
Yeah.
Nipa binu, which I am included. So what I say?
Let's say man kasentia.
Enkrom mohwa.
Oh man kasentia.
And so devastating say. Say one year careful and Dominic will testify to this. See you two kwan.
Yeah.
That's a Dominic Babe Damin chair.
Yeah.
In the middle of Nanimuno 1 a.m. one on the next room because I say caterpillar need graders there 80.
Oh no.
And I can't boom.
Now so no.
You know, so it is not a joke. We need yemu binu yakosu yamwa ye nom kra na sabi omoda echi no sabi just omoda echi ntia agomo dwane akọ because ye dey ba e budan complete e bu ram so nkro mo hwan kaza a serious problem which you shouldn't shy away because one find solution now obeko conference bi obeko jumedi bi obeko wase ho obeko aye bi obeko akonda
akwa nim guase
me dey me hwan zika joy fm studio anka be penetrate joy
now so dia no
ba achen bibia o boom ga na ya hawa ho nyese akadi agro Eti Mr. Mitchell, Dr. Nika, Diania, Woody Bra, and all those things. I have applied a lot of things. In fact, a Piero Asempa, a Piero Belgium, Emma, Nipe Bimu Manone, or Mommy, certain routine beer, it is me follow. Na Emma Sa, how in a team free. I been crowd to talk, certain gadgets be at the brain just to, you know, very worrying. Sometimes it's quite disgracing. So I say, a lot of people are in this situation. A lot of people are in this situation. Me I know obi an say ya we there obi an chire obi come there obi o etia efa obi all manner of people based on the doctor have prescribed actually. So I just intimacy me we can whether I'm a victim or whatever. Me to make them one example. Me go for being correct example.
Exactly.
Mama ya pom de won sem here. On say the man me who dream and pay ni say or say any akoma no kura so won
exactly.
Which is not good. Intimity one then I have to work around this one. Again, or can wait so one sem kura account. And I fall in all these categories. I fall in it.
Work kakra. We are jogging.
No, it is not on a regular basis. But
because
every morning when I wake up, the consistency of what you do is the best.
Okay,
it's not just once in a yellow moon. But your consistency. So even every day, you are able to do 10 minutes every day.
Okay,
I think it is quite meaningful. Weekend be and now to come na emudawa. What me reasonable miles. I have believed in that consistency for a while. Most of the checks that I have run, ABC to the glory of God.